Ayan. So, please give yourselves a round of applause. As what I've said earlier, I've been doing this, I've been emceeing since 2011. So I have more than 10 years emceeing. I witnessed events that they expect 200 people but 50 people just show up kasi marami na sa camping, marami na sa festival, kung saan-saan. And most of the time, if I see a full-packed event like this, masaya ako. Kasi the effort, the time, and of course, how much it costs to have us here all together at once. So, without your presence, napakahalaga po yun. Kahit ngayon lang po sinabi yun, na-memorize ko na rin po yung sasabihin ko. Okay, so tonight is not just 30th, 7th birthday, but also we're here to celebrate someone else 50 years of milestones. Wow, 5 decades. 50 years, once you reach that age, parang maisipin mo sa sarili mo na you're lucky because you experienced that. Ako, I am forever 21, so I'm happy with that. So, I'm not sure if I'm gonna reach that age. So, without your presence, she won't be as fulfilled as she dreamed for tonight. Uy, dami ko lang sinabi, ready na ba kayo? Ang hirap ng trabaho ko, ah! Okay, you know what? Ready na? Okay. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, let's all welcome the kids of the celebrant. Wala silang binigay na names, kaya hindi ko rin masasabi. Okay. The names are William, 30. Alfred. Ayan. Okay. You okay? Stay there. Okay, normally, okay, ganito. Close the door. I don't want them to listen. Okay, ganito. Pag tinawag natin yung pangalan nila, yung celebrant, mag-ingay tayo para wala nang bukas. We make all the noise. But I want to make sure that it's perfect, grand entrance. So, practice ha? Practice lang kami. Sabihin mo, sila makinig. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, our debutant tonight, the 50th birthday of Rizalina Palakpakan! Gusto pa ka marinig. Nalakasan pa natin, ha? Okay. May I request everybody to please stand? Open your phones, videos, camera, focus on that side. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, let's all welcome the birthday celebrant together with the birthday celebrant, Rizalina. Let's give her a round of applause. Lucky guys. Bakit si Daddy nawawala? Siyang excited! Sumakit yata siya. Okay. Thank you so much. You may now be seated. Let the photographers do their job. Tonight we are gathered not just to celebrate a birthday, but to honor Riza's 50th beautiful years of being a woman who reminds us that life doesn't slow down at 50. At 50, we get richer, wiser, and even more meaningful.
Saan si Daddy?
Her life journey is one of courage and perseverance. From working in Hong Kong for 2 years to bravely starting a new chapter here in Canada in 2012. She showed us what it truly means to chase opportunity with determination and faith. She didn't just adapt, she thrived. Ang haba nito. At the heart of her world is her family. She is a devoted wife to her husband Ronnie. He went to buy beer. And a loving mother to her 3 sons, William, Alfred, and of course, 30, who are her greatest pride and lifelong inspiration. Everything she does with love, sacrifice, and strength for her family. Anyone who knows Rizalina knows that everything she does is guided by one simple priority. Her family always comes first. Tonight, we celebrate not just the years she has lived, but the lives she has touched, the battles she has overcame, and the grace she carries into this golden... Ay! Ang daming paninda na 50 lang po, na kayong tumawad dyan. No, I'm just kidding. Okay, malayo pa kasi magkikita kayo ha. 50 is not an ending. It's a beautiful new beginning, filled with confidence, wisdom, laughter, and well-earned joy. And if you follow her YouTube, you already know another side of her. The vlogger, the memory keeper, the one who makes sure every special moment is captured. She loves sharing her life, her troubles, her family moments, and her joy. Whether it's a simple day or a big adventure, she reminds us that life is meant to be lived fully and recorded, of course. She's adventurous, loves exploring with family and friends, and believes that experiences matter more than anything else. No matter where she goes or what she does, she brings people together. Tonight, as she turns 50, we're not saying she's older, we're saying she's wiser, she's stronger, and more confident than ever. This is the beginning of a new chapter filled with more adventures, more memories, and probably a lot of more videos. On behalf of her family and from all of us who love her deeply, we are so proud to celebrate her tonight. Ladies and gentlemen, please join our celebrant and give her a round of applause, Rizalina. Okay, so this time, habang fresh pa po tayo, I would like to request each group to please come here on stage and have your